Saturday morning. Hey there, Alexa.
Yeah, it's going to be a really hot day. I saw someone walking around yesterday with one of those tiny portable fans. Hopefully it helps.
We all need one of those.
Yes, definitely. Hopefully you can pick one of those up. If not, it's going to be a very blistering hot day. We've got lots of sunshine around this morning. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s right now. It's muggy. It's warm, about what you would expect. And then as we head into the afternoon, our temperatures will get into the mid and upper 90s like we've seen over the last couple of days. And we're really not going to see much rain today either. High temperatures across the area, basically pretty similar, mid upper 90s, 98 for a forecast high in New Orleans, 99 in Covington, possibly some triple digits, 100 for Bogalusa, 99 in Slidell. We'll see if we can tie any existing records today. We did not break any records yesterday. We hit a high of 98 at the New Orleans airport. It was plenty hot though. We just missed it by a couple degrees. Feels like temperatures this afternoon, of course, the triple digits, closing in on 110, maybe upwards of 115 in some spots, depends on where you're at. Make sure you stay cool and hydrated, especially with all the fun activities going on across the area. Drink lots of water, try not to overdo it. Luckily, we are going to start to see some relief, and this dangerous heat wave will finally start backing down heading into the new work week. So that's something to look forward to. Of course, it's still going to be your typical summer heat and humidity coming our way next week, but not as bad. That's the good news. Radar looking nice and quiet. We have a dry start to the day. We probably won't get in on much rainfall today. There might be a stray shower or rumble of thunder this afternoon, about a 10 to 20% chance. That really isn't much. So expect a mix of sunshine and clouds today, maybe a quick stray shower if you're lucky, and then that will wind down. We'll stay mostly dry through tonight and overnight. Tomorrow, as the heat wave starts to break gradually, I think we have a better shot at a couple more hit or miss showers and storms, especially on the North Shore and in South Mississippi tomorrow. Still going to be pretty hit or miss, only about a 20% chance for tomorrow. But if you're lucky enough, it will help cool you down. But next week, that's when the pattern shifts and that high pressure heat dome we've been under starts to move off to the east. And as it does that, we're going to see a lot of rich tropical moisture coming into our region. And that will provide the more widespread rain opportunities next week, especially the middle of next week and the latter half of next week. We could actually see some heavy pockets of rain coming our way with the storms that do get fired up next week, which is something we need. We definitely could benefit from some showers. As for your 4th of July weekend, it's going to be plenty hot the next couple days. High temperatures, upper 90s both today and tomorrow. Trending mostly dry for your Saturday and Sunday if you have any outdoor plans. Monday and Tuesday, we'll see a few more scattered showers and storms. Only about a 30% chance on Tuesday, so that's not bad. It's not going to be a washout Tuesday. And check this out, temperatures a little bit better in the lower 90s, so looking good for the 4th of July weekend. If you do plan to hit the beach along the Gulf Coast, any of the beaches, temperatures will be topping out at the lower middle 90s. We've got lots of sunshine, really not much rain in the forecast across the Gulf Coast, so looking pretty good, but make sure you heed those warnings, the flags on the beach. I know rip currents have been a serious danger the last few weeks, so make sure you're paying attention to that and you're just being safe out there if you plan to get in the ocean. That's a pretty great idea since it's so hot outside. As for your tropics outlook, there's not much going on. Everything has fizzled out. All those little areas we've been watching in the western Atlantic have fizzled out. Nothing going on. There's no new tropical developments expected in the next week, so that's good news. Another good thing is this 7-day forecast showing this heat wave finally backing down. Next week, our high temperatures get closer to average this time of year, down in the lower 90s. Good Sunday morning. We're off to a peaceful but muggy start to the day, but luckily this heat wave is finally starting to back down. It's finally breaking. It is going to stay hot and humid today, but through the week, it's going to get a lot better. By a lot, I mean it's still going to be hot and humid for July standards, but it's not going to be as oppressively hot and humid as it's been the last few days. We do have a couple showers and storms on tap today, just a few, and then we've got some more rain in the forecast coming this week. That will also help cool us down quite a bit. It is a beautiful morning. We've got not much going on other than it's very warm and humid. Temperatures in the lower 80s, 82 in New Orleans. Feels like 89 degrees with dew points in the mid 70s. So yes, it's humid outside, muggy with winds pretty calm coming mostly from the south at this point. As we go throughout the day, our high temperatures won't be as hot as yesterday, but only by a few degrees. probably reaching the middle 90s this afternoon. 96 for New Orleans, 98 Slidell, 96 Belle Chase. And we do have that heat advisory in effect today because feels like temperatures can once again go above 105 degrees, getting close to 110 this afternoon. So just a few degrees lower than yesterday. We'll take it, and it will gradually get better in the coming days, especially midweek and into next weekend. It will feel more like your average summertime heat and humidity that I guess we can deal with. I mean, we have to deal with it. It's not going to be obviously cool just yet. We've got a few months to go, but as we go throughout the day, make sure you're definitely staying cool and hydrated. Feels like temperatures in the triple digits even throughout the early evening, and then it will feel like the 90s as we head into tonight. If you plan to get outside today, maybe head to the pool. Temperatures will be topping out in the mid 90s throughout the afternoon. There is a chance for a stray shower or storm, probably a little bit better of a chance than we saw yesterday, so we can get those dodge and miss showers and storms this afternoon. But if you will be heading outside, make sure you have lots of water, you have the sunscreen, the sunglasses, the UV index is extreme outside, so you can burn in like 15-20 minutes. Live radar conditions not showing much. We have a dry start to the day, lots of sunshine for the morning hours, though clouds will start to bubble up throughout the afternoon. Luckily, that high pressure heat dome we've been stuck under is shifting off to the east and weakening, and with that, the upper atmosphere is going to become a little bit more unsettled as the week progresses. Plus, we're going to get some more moisture flowing in from the south. This will allow for some more widespread rain and thunderstorms to come our way starting really midweek, lasting through the weekend. And what that means basically is when the storms get fired up, they're going to be pretty much area-wide coverage, and we can see some good rain-making storms, some good healthy downpours coming our way with the storms that get fired up during the midweek time frame and the late week and into next weekend. As for today, we've got about maybe a 20-30% chance at best for a couple stray showers and storms popping up. That's pretty good, though. That'll help cool us down a bit if you're lucky to get under one of those, though not much coverage expected today. Though tomorrow morning, we can wake up to some coastal showers and storms that will spread inland during the day. So I think tomorrow we'll start to get the scattered variety rain and storms. Still going to be hit or miss in nature, but rain coverage is going to increase every single day as our high temperatures decrease to the lower 90s as we head midweek and beyond. That's right around average for this time of year. If you plan to be out and about for the Essence Festival today, we'll trend mostly dry, though tomorrow just keep the umbrellas handy since we've got a better shot at some more showers and storms. 4th of July looking pretty good. High temperatures in the lower 90s. Scattered rain and thunderstorms really still going to be hit or miss. Definitely going to be a great day to hit the pool or do some barbecuing outside. Just look out for any showers and storms that get fired up. Quick look at that 7-day showing the temperatures going down, but the rain chances going up all the way through next weekend.